I'm super excited to be in round 2 of Successgyan's Super Speaker Season 3, the ultimate hunt to find the best speaker in the country. As part of this reality show, I'm sharing this video as a gratitude to my teacher who has had the maximum impact in my life. This is the small way of thanking my English teacher Nafisa Ma'am from my high school days. Being from vernacular medium, I was very weak in my English. It had created phobia in my mind. It is because of Nafisa Ma'am's efforts, belief, I was able to excel in my career where English communication is very vital. During my initial days in corporate life, I was average in my English communication and I had very hard time while interacting with the foreign clients. During those low phases, I was saying to myself, I'm a student of Nafisa Ma'am, I can speak good English. Because of this sentence, it created trust and self-confidence on myself to learn and grow in my spoken English journey. Thank you, Nafisa Ma'am, for your blessings and efforts to improve my life.